How to install Google Home app on iPhone. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to install the Google Home app on your device. Let's get started. First, look at App Store on your home screen. Once you look at it, tap on it. Now here, tap on the search right here. Now at the search bar, type in Google Home. Now once you do that, tap on search. Here you can see the official Google Home app. Now tap on Get. Now you need to authenticate with your Face ID. Authenticate it and wait for a few minutes. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open right here and tap on Get Started and log into your account. And that's it. This is how easy it is to install the Google app on your device. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.